Hi everyone, Belinda here from Belinda's DIYs. Welcome to my channel. For this DIY, I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up this clay pot and 2 bags of these foam eggs. So with this thick piece of cardboard paper, I went ahead and I created a cone simply by just rolling the side as you see me do there. And to hold it in place, I added some hot glue along the side. Next, I trimmed off the bottom so that it could be even. Next, I added some hot glue around the rim of the pot, and then I simply just placed my cone over it. And then I hot glued some green moss to my cone. And so this is how it turned out once I put all my moss to my cone. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is just hot glue these small foam eggs. For this next DIY, I picked up this Dollar Tree cloth tote. I'm sure that you've seen them. They have different sayings on them. And I also picked up a pack of these bunny felt garland. These are just adorable. You can make so many projects with these. Dollar Tree also has these yarn kits and they have this in pink and in white. So I picked up a pack of each. Now I'm going to start off by removing the handles from this tote and I'm just going to simply cut them off. Okay, so I'm going to be working on the blank side of this tote. And remember these cute felt bunnies? Well, I'm going to be using 3 of them and I'm going to hot glue them to the blank side of the tote. I went ahead and I used some of this ribbon to create some bows for my bunnies. And all I did is hot glue the bows to my bunnies. And if you haven't guessed now, I'm going to make a pillow. So all I'm going to do is stuff it with some cotton from an old pillow that I had. And then by using some hot glue, I'm going to seal the top. And then from the yarn craft kit, I'm going to use those pink pom-poms to attach them to my pillow. And I'll simply be hot gluing them. Because this is just a seasonal decorative pillow, I'm not gonna throw it in the wash or anything. It's just simply to display it temporarily. And for this next DIY, I picked up some of these Dollar Tree Easter eggs. Okay, so using this Dollar Tree wreath, what I'm gonna do is wrap some raffia around it and then I'm gonna hot glue the eggs onto it. This is a super duper easy Easter wreath to make. For this next project, I picked up this Happy Easter bunny riding a bicycle wall decor from Dollar Tree. I thought it was absolutely adorable. So I started by just removing the hanger from it. Dollar Tree has this bicycle wheel wreath ring, and so I thought this would be perfect to go with this wall decor. I'm going to be using some jute cord to outline the whole entire wheel. I'm going to start hot gluing the cord in the center of the wheel. And then I took some of these purple flowers and I hot glued the stem to the back. And to reinforce them, I added some duct tape. And then I took the bicycle and I added it on to my wheel and I hot glued it there in the center and also on the back side. Now this is going to be another simple wreath. I took a crafter square wood bead wreath and I hot glued some of these lilies only at the bottom half of the ring. But before I would hot glue them, I cut the lilies off their stem. And then I attached this bow that I had made earlier. And then I also hot glued some lilies in between the bow. Now for this DIY, I just took a glass vase and a candle holder and I hot glued it onto my vase. Now the reason that I used hot glue is because I don't want this to be permanent. I will be using these two items separately later on. If you decide to do this project, then you want it to be a permanent item, then go ahead and use super glue or E6000. And so all I'm gonna do with this is just layer it with some moss and some of those speckled eggs from Dollar Tree. And then in the center of the vase, I'm just gonna tie it with some twine. Now this is such an easy Easter decor. Now I had this ring with this greenery from a previous project that I had done. Now if you'd like to do this project, Dollar Tree does have these brass wreath rings and all you have to do is just add some greenery to one of the rings. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these Dollar Tree signs that say hop and I'm just gonna attach it to my ring. I'm telling you, Dollar Tree has really cute items that you don't have to do anything to them, but use them like this on your wreaths if you'd like to, and you are good to go. So I'm just adding some hot glue there on the corners, and then I'm gonna tie the hanger up at the top of the ring, and then just add a little bit of hot glue. And then lastly, I just added this bow that I had made with Dollar Tree ribbon. Now for this next project, I'm going to be taking this wooden bunny from Dollar Tree and all I'm going to do is cover it with some moss. I'll be using some hot glue to glue on the moss and I'll be doing sections at a time. And then I'll be taking my scissors to cut around the edges of my bunny just to give my bunny a good clean haircut. And then lastly, I'm going to be hot gluing these pink flowers to the top of my bunny's head. Now for this DIY, I'm going to be using this wire wreath. And I'm going to take this Dollar Tree ribbon and I'm going to wrap it around my wreath. But first I'll start off by hot gluing the ribbon onto the back. Dollar Tree has these really cute bunnies in this brown color and white. So I'm going to be attaching this brown one onto my wreath, and I'm going to be hot gluing him. So I hot glued the top of his head and then also down at the bottom. And also from Dollar Tree, I'm going to be attaching this wire carrot next to the bunny. So I'm going to wrap the bunny's arm around the carrot, and then I'm going to hot glue it. And then I hot glued these little carrots along the side of the wreath. Now these carrots, I had used them in a previous DIY, and that's why it has some onion grass attached to it. Dollar Tree has these gift bags and they're shaped like little carrots. I think they're adorable. I'll be using one of these bags and I'll be placing it in between the wires from my wire carrot. I also added some onion grass in the pocket of my little carrot. And then lastly, I took these larger Dollar Tree carrots and I put them into the pocket. And then I took this bow and I put it at the top of the carrot. Now for this last DIY/idea, you know how Dollar Tree has these Easter baskets and they're all so cute. I love this one with bunny ears. Well, what I use this for is just a plant holder. So all I did is just put a plant with flowers into my basket, and voila, there you go. You have a cute spring Easter decor. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps my channel. And also, you have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. And let me know which was your favorite DIY. Bye-bye, and God bless.